Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well today, guys. And for today's reaction, I have chosen one more video from the YouTuber Cinedot. Now, this is revisiting the legend Mammootty filmography. Why I am particularly excited to react to this is because if you read the description, the last line that he has written, Cinedot, this video includes 400 plus movies of Mammootty. Even though this video doesn't include all of his films, I've tried my best in including all movies with best available prints. So firstly, kudos for the effort. Kudos for the effort because to include clips of all like 400 plus films, not all films, but 400 plus films in a video, which is not even 4 minutes long. It's 3 minutes 38 seconds in itself is a feat. I'm so intrigued to watch how you have edited this video. That's one thing. And second, of course, Mammootty sir's filmography, which I am completely not aware of. I know a couple of his best films, but I do not know his entire filmography. So yes, without delaying this, guys, let's see how this video has been edited and let's revisit the legend. All right. Oh, and the music he uses, man. Oh man! '83, '84. Oh wow! So stylish, man. '85. Oh man, this is some great editing. So many characters. 91, 92. it's included till 1. Amazing. So I've watched the newer films, One, Priest, Peranbu. Unda is one movie that you have asked me to watch, which was highly recommended in so many previous videos. So amazing. Firstly, I'm a little like not even little, I'm a lot impressed by how amazingly the movies have been included. It would have taken quite some time. It would have taken quite some time because I know how pain in the ass editing can be. So it would have taken like, because it's like 1 second, not even 1 second. I feel like when the clips were like changing, it's like fraction of a second. And to gather so many clips and then put it, oh man, would have taken some good amount of time. So wow, let me stop this first now. Mammootty sir's charm is, I mean, really, he has such an aura, man. He has such an aura. So DQ has taken the best of from his father, like all the best aspects from his father. The charm, the style. That is something that was so evident in Dulquer that I see he has gotten from his father. Because Mammootty sir's aura and the charm and such a beautiful, infectious smile he has. And that is the same with Dulquer, man. That's literally with Dulquer, the first thing I fell in love with was his beautiful smile. It's just so charming and so it just feels so much at ease. And so many movies he has done. I mean, and he's still doing. It's amazing. Like, I'm just in awe looking at this career graph. I'm just in awe. Like, he has never stopped working, and he's still going strong. Amazing, unbelievable. I mean, imagine doing so much movies. It's like you've dedicated your life. This is what dedicated your life to work looks like. Amazing. And I could see only very few films where he's completely clean shaven, but which clip caught my, because you literally have to, if you want to know all the movies, you have to stop the video, pause it again and again and again, and then watch it. But what a great tribute, I mean, to include all these films. So the one clip that really caught my eye was where he had the long hair. This was sort of like at the end. I don't know which movie is that, but Unda, when I saw Unda, I remembered that that is a movie that is supposed to be really good. Like in his newer films, Unda has been highly recommended to me. So yes, that was my reaction to Cinedote's revisiting the legend. What a revisit! What a revisit! I mean, that's how you. I don't know, man. Cinedote, somebody needs to hire this person to cut trailers, to edit the trailers, because editing trailers is also a very big task, and to make the movie more appealing before its release. I feel he can do it. I mean, this is some great talent you have, man. Really amazing. So yeah, that was my reaction to Cinedote's revisiting the legend Mammootty filmography. Do share in your thoughts about what you thought of this edit. I personally feel, because editing takes so much time, I personally feel this was a great attempt done by Cinedote. Do share in your thoughts. And yes, that was it from me right now. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.